Hello, welcome to the channel. All we're going to do is a little bit of tidying up on my daily driver. I'm going to start with removing this badge, which is well past its sell-by date. Q's missing and the other letters are quite badly corroded, so we're going to give it a bit of an upgrade. Here we're just going to use a wheel, eraser wheel they call it. So like a rubbery wheel. It'll get off all your glue, foam, you name it, and it doesn't damage the paint one little bit. It's quite a wicked little tool, and takes all that gunge off and give you a clean substance to work with. Out comes my little polisher. Just going to buff it up, get the paint back to factory if you like, cover the whole of that area whilst the badge is off. No badge going on. I didn't use a template in the end, because as you can see the badge itself had its own template, where I'm just running my finger along that line. So yeah, got to save myself a bother. I'll just be using the palm of my hand in a minute, just to rub some heat into the badge. That'll help it stick. I'm going to move on to the front wings. I've got a couple of new badges for these as well. Blue efficiency, anybody know what that actually means? Again, quite stuck on this particular one. Just pulling and teasing it away, and then just using that blade just to cut through the foam. Out with my whizzy wheel again, clean up all that gunk. Again, we're going to just go for a quick polish up whilst that badge is off. I'm going to do the whole car before too long. It's been well overdue. template back down and pop the new badge in place. And that matches the one on the boot. Just going to cover this bit. We're going to plastic weld. This is the front bumper. As you can see, it catches the curbs when you park up. One of the curbs actually managed to rip it. So all we're going to do is tape it up into position, and a good friend of mine has got a plastic welder. So I'm just going to video what I can of this. I don't know if you can just see it there. There's a little bit of wire on the end of that tool which heats up and melts the plastic. And in it goes. So we're going to put about 3 or 4 of these wire staples into position. It just melts down into that bumper and keeps it held together, and then you can go on and repair the outside properly. But it's another little niggling job that I've managed to get round to. It's been there for a while, probably 6 months or so, irritating me. You probably cottoned on. We're on an airfield. Moving on to the bonnet. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but there's another job to be done. I might tackle in a minute. There's a spillage on here of some sort. It's rock hard. You can't really pick it off, and it runs all the way down there. It's been there for quite a while. It's getting on my nerves now, so I might have a go at trying to get that off. Probably going to use a blade of some description, and then see how that goes, and then maybe a bit of a polish up, see if we can get that a bit better. We'll give it a go. Right, I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Hopefully you can. Just got a Stanley blade. What I've done is just rub that edge and that edge off on a brick wall or something, just to blunt them down so they don't dig in. And I'll have a go at chipping this off, because that's the only way it's coming off. I can't pick it, so I'll give it a go. I don't know what you can see, probably got the camera around the wrong way, but hey ho, we'll give it a try. What the hell it is? It's like some sort of lacquer or some sort. Oh, that came off. Oh. Some of it's coming off. Not sure what it is. Bloody hard. It's pretty good. Any scratches I can just hopefully just polish them out. If there's any deep ones I'll just have to flat it with some sandpaper. Hopefully we can get it tidied up. Well, a few of them already. There is a tool you can get. It's like a square piece of metal that you can just use it for paint runs and stuff, where you just literally slice the top off. Ideally that's what I'd want, but I don't have one. For the amount of times I actually use it, I don't think it's worth buying one. But I think they're 70, 80 odd quid, something like that, but they are a good tool, but only if you're going to use it all the time. I might get one, never know. Right, there's a couple of little scratches in there which I can flat down. I haven't got anything with me at the moment, but that wouldn't take much to flat off and polish, but I can't see anything from this side. Happy with that. It's been annoying me for ages. I don't know what it was, but that's looking a lot better now. bulb holder out. Two little wires. I think they're for the indicator, because they work off of LEDs. It's a bit of a strange setup. The rest of them are bulbs, however. The later version, I think it's from 2014 or 15. They changed the rear lamps and made them LED, which were pretty good. Easy as that. Please. It's our new seal, new lamp. Stick it in the hole. That particular washer there has got, the particular nut, it's got a big washer on it, so it goes up on that top right, which is the side piece. The other three nuts, all the same for the remaining. Okay, all done. Jobs are good and that looks better.